Ever feel like the world is out of reach? Think you can't afford to travel? Think again. The truth is, adventure doesn't have to break the bank. Indonesia is a backpacker's paradise, a land of vibrant culture and breathtaking scenery. It's a place where $50 can buy you an epic day, filled with experiences you'll never forget. Ready to see how you can unlock the wonders of Indonesia on a budget? Let's go. The best days in Indonesia start before sunrise. In Bali, trek up Mount Batur for a sunrise that paints the sky in wild colors. In Yogyakarta, watch dawn break over Borobudur's ancient stupas. On Nusa Penida, stroll Kelingking Beach as the cliffs glow in the morning light. These moments are priceless and nearly free. Afterwards, skip the hotel buffet, head to a bustling warung for a local breakfast. Try bubur ayam, savory rice porridge, or nasi jingo, all for about $1. Eating like a local isn't just cheap, it's a window into the culture. By starting early, you beat the crowds and the heat, and you get a more authentic experience. Most sunrise spots are free or cost just a small fee. You've already had a life-changing morning and spent almost nothing. This is smart travel, prioritizing experiences over expenses. You're energized and ready for the day. Now let's talk transportation. The scooter is your golden ticket. Renting one is easy and costs just $5 to $7 a day. With a scooter, you're free to explore hidden beaches, rice fields, and villages at your own pace. Always check the scooter's condition, wear a helmet, and drive defensively. Bring your international driving permit. Police may ask for it. Make sure your travel insurance covers scooters. With your own wheels, you're not tied to tour schedules or expensive taxis. Visit Tegalalang rice terraces, secret waterfalls, or cruise Nusa Penida's coast. In Yogyakarta, hop between temples and city sites with ease. This freedom turns a trip into an adventure. For a few dollars, you unlock a day of unlimited exploration. The island is yours to discover. Let's ride. With your scooter, it's time to dive into Indonesia's culture. Visit stunning temples. Many are free or ask for a small donation. Tirta Empul near Ubud offers a sacred purification ritual for just a few dollars. Dress respectfully, most temples provide sarongs. Prefer markets? Skip the touristy ones and hit a local pasar pagi for a sensory overload of fruits, spices, and crafts. In Yogyakarta, Barang Harjo Market is a treasure trove of batik and snacks. Haggle with a smile and enjoy the local buzz. For lunch, find a busy warung and order nasi campur. Rice with your pick of delicious sides. A hearty plate costs under $3. You're not just eating, you're connecting with the heart of Indonesia. Temple entrance, $2 or $3. Lunch, $3. You've immersed yourself in culture and cuisine for less than a movie ticket. This is the beauty of budget travel. Authenticity comes cheap if you know where to look. Budget travel is also about avoiding rip-offs. Always carry small bills. Vendors may claim they have no change for big notes. Break large bills at convenience stores or banks. Be wary of unofficial guides and aggressive transport offers at tourist sites. Arrange guides through your guest house or official ticket offices. Avoid sketchy money changers, even if the rate looks good. Use banks or reputable changers, and count your cash before leaving. Trust your gut. If something feels off, walk away. Learn a few Bahasa Indonesia phrases. It shows respect and makes you less of a target. Stay alert, use common sense, and your money will go toward real experiences. The best adventures come from being smart, not just cheap. Navigate with confidence and enjoy the journey. The afternoon in Indonesia is a time to connect with nature, to slow down and appreciate the simple beauty that surrounds you. It's a chance to escape the hustle and bustle and immerse yourself in the tranquility of the landscape. And the best part? These experiences are often free or cost just a few dollars, making them perfect for budget travelers. Wander through the iconic Tegalalang rice terraces, a breathtaking landscape of cascading green fields. Or if you're seeking a more secluded experience, venture off the beaten path and discover quieter paddies nearby, where you can find a peaceful escape amidst the serene beauty of the rice fields. As you explore, consider donating a little to the local farmers who work tirelessly to cultivate these stunning landscapes. Your contribution can help support their livelihoods and preserve this cultural heritage. For a refreshing adventure, chase waterfalls like the majestic Tibumana waterfall, hidden away in a lush jungle setting, or visit Kanto Lampo waterfall, where you can take a refreshing dip in its cool cascading waters and feel the invigorating spray on your skin. On the island of Nusa Penida, embark on a trek to Diamond Beach, a stunning stretch of coastline with dramatic cliffs and crystal-clear waters. Or discover the pristine sands and turquoise waters of Atu Beach, a hidden gem that offers a tranquil escape from the crowds. Prefer a more hands-on experience? Join a family-run cooking class for just $15 to $20 and learn the secrets of authentic Indonesian cuisine. Start by shopping for fresh ingredients at the local market, immersing yourself in the vibrant colors and aromas of Indonesian produce. Then, cook alongside the family, learning traditional techniques and sharing stories, before finally sitting down to eat together and savor the delicious flavors of your creations. For an underwater adventure, grab a snorkel and explore the vibrant coral reefs that teem with marine life. Head to Ahmed, Pemutaran, or the Gili Islands, known for their stunning underwater landscapes and diverse marine ecosystems. Snorkel gear rental is readily available for just a few bucks, making it an accessible activity for all. There's no need to splurge on pricey tours. Shore snorkeling offers a magical and affordable way to discover the wonders of the underwater world. These simple adventures offer a profound connection to Indonesia's wild beauty, allowing you to appreciate the natural wonders that this country has to offer. Whether you're hiking through lush mountains, swimming in refreshing waterfalls, or cooking alongside local families, you're creating memories that will last a lifetime. The best moments in travel are often the least expensive, proving that you don't need to break the bank to have an unforgettable experience. Nature here is incredibly generous, offering an abundance of beauty and wonder for all to enjoy. Take full advantage of it. Let the afternoon slow you down, rejuvenate your spirit, and fill you up with the beauty and tranquility of Indonesia. As the sun begins its descent, painting the sky with hues of orange and gold, Indonesia prepares to put on a free show, a spectacle of natural beauty that will leave you breathless. Skip the crowded tourist traps. Instead, seek out a quiet hidden beach bar, a sanctuary away from the hustle and bustle. Grab an ice-cold $2 bintang, the local brew, and watch as the sky ignites in a blaze of glory, a breathtaking canvas of color. Sunset here isn't just a daily occurrence, it's a pure, unadulterated magic, a moment to cherish and remember. And when night gently falls, draping the islands in a blanket of stars, make your way to a bustling night market, a vibrant hub of culinary delights and local culture. Sample the smoky, savory satay, grilled to perfection over hot coals. Indulge in the flavorful mai goreng, a symphony of noodles, vegetables, and spices. And treat yourself to sweet martabak for dessert, a thick pancake-like creation filled with chocolate, nuts, and cheese, a truly decadent experience. And the best part? All of this culinary adventure will cost you under $5. Eat shoulder to shoulder with the friendly locals, sharing tables and smiles, soaking up the infectious energy and savoring the authentic flavors of Indonesia. No need for fancy, overpriced restaurants. This vibrant, affordable street food scene is the real feast, a true taste of Indonesia. And for nightlife, join fellow travelers at the lively hostel bars where you can enjoy cheap drinks, share travel stories, and make new friends from all corners of the globe. So, let's tally up the expenses. A delicious Indonesian breakfast, a scooter rental for exploring hidden gems, a visit to an ancient temple, a satisfying lunch at a local warung, immersing yourself in the breathtaking natural scenery, a refreshing sunset beer on the beach, and a mouth-watering night market dinner. And you'll find that you're still well under $20 for the day. Add a comfortable hostel bed for just $10 to $15. Maybe even treat yourself to an authentic Indonesian cooking class to learn the secrets of the local cuisine, and you're completely set for an unforgettable day. The real secret to budget travel in Indonesia? Say yes to new experiences, embrace the unexpected, and be open to adventure. My best and most cherished memories from Indonesia came from spontaneous invites from locals and genuine connections with the warm and welcoming Indonesian people. So go, explore the diverse landscapes and be open to the magic that Indonesia has to offer. Your incredible Indonesian adventure is waiting just around the corner, and it's far more affordable and accessible than you ever could have imagined. The world, or at least a slice of paradise, is truly yours for $50 a day.